Do you know that about 80% of men think that they're smaller compared to other men and that they want to be bigger somewhat? Well, let me kind of tell you the truth there. You're probably more average than you think, and that only about less than 1% of men are what they call consider a micro penis. So let's talk about some things that you can do about your size that appear to be bigger, and it's about presentation, it's about blood flow and what's going on between the ears today. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So stay until the end because you'll be surprised what the fourth thing will be. I'm Dr. Truong. I spent 25 years treating men with ED and over 7,000 men that we have helped over the years at this time. So today I'm going to give you 4 things you can start doing this week to make your penis look bigger and longer. No surgery, no gimmick, just what actually worked. And the one thing at the end that matters more than all others combined. So stay tuned. So before we start, I'm going to be honest with you because that's the only way. 3 of these 4 tips are about making you look bigger, not actually is bigger. So it's not a trick. It's just grooming, optics, and blood flow, and they're real. The 4th one is the deepest because it changes how you feel and what you carry into the bedroom. And I'll tell you up front, if your real concern is that things have changed, softer erection, less fullness than you used to have, that's not a grooming or looking problem. That's the blood flow, circulation problem. And there's real treatment for that. So that's why you should consider the Get Heart system that I created. Now, I'll come back to that at the end. But for now, let's start with the easiest one right here. So tip number 1 is the fastest one, and you can do it tonight. Trim or shave your pubic hair. Think about it like this. If you have a beautiful tree and the grass around it is 2 feet tall, you can't even see the trunk. Well, cut the grass and suddenly the whole tree stands out. Your body is no different. The thick bush at the base hides the first inch or 2 of the shaft. Clear it away and you will reveal the length that's already there. Men routinely tell me they look about an inch longer when they first do this, and nothing actually changed except for shaving. So you want to do it safely, and you want to make sure that you don't want to have a cut. Go slow, pull the skin taut, and shave in direction of the hair to avoid irritation and ingrown hair. And skip the harsh hair removal cream down there because the skin is very sensitive. This works because it's a single highest return, lowest effort at this point. 5 minutes of grooming buys you visual length. Honestly, the little confidence boost every time you look down. So start there. Tip number 2, lose the pubic fat. So this is the one almost nobody talk about, and it's worth real discussion. There's the pad that sits right above your penis on top of your pubic bone. And when that fat gets a little bit cushioning, it literally buries the base of the shaft inside it. Here's a rule of thumb that I give my patient. For roughly every 35 pounds of extra weight that you carry, there's an inch of your penis disappear inside that fat. So it's not gone, it's hidden. So if you lose the fat, you uncover length that was buried, sometimes even an inch or more. This is the closest thing to free lengthening that exists, and it comes with a body that works better every way. So for instance, this is the pubic bone right here. This is the pubic bone right here. So if you have more pubic fat, that fat will kind of override the base, and then it makes the penis look shorter. I hope that makes sense. So you can spot the fat because you can feel it, okay? So if you lose the fat, let's say you follow the Mediterranean diet, check out the link for the Mediterranean diet down below. And if you follow the Mediterranean diet, you will lose that fat. And then on top of that, if you trim the pubic hair, then it's a double win and it will make you look longer. Now, the actual length isn't gonna prove, it's just about look. So on the other side, besides just eating, combine that with exercise like strength training 2 to 3 times a week, build muscle, burns fat. And then you add the cardio such as walking. All that will melt away the fat. And here's the bonus part. I love this one. Losing that fat just doesn't reveal length. It actually lowers your blood pressure, improve your testosterone, you have more energy, and you also will help making your heart feel better. So at first you think that may help you with the penis length, but it's gonna help you with your overall health overall. So it's a win-win-win. Tip number 3, use the penis pump. The penis pump can really help you with this. So let me reframe it. A good penis pump, which is also called a vacuum erection device, is an FDA-approved medical tool. I use this in my clinic. I use it as a medical treatment. This is how it works. When you pump, it's a negative suction that pulls the blood into the penis, filling the penis completely. For a window of time afterward, the penis looks and feels fuller, plumper, and yes, temporarily larger. A lot of men, that's exactly the confidence they want before intimacy, right? So here's the part that you won't hear at all. The penis is made of tissue, and the tissue is very similar to muscle. It's a smooth muscle, but it's similar. So it needs blood flow, and it needs regular use to stay healthy. So when a man hasn't had a strong erection in months or maybe even years, that tissue starts to stiffen, start to shrink from not being used. So it literally atrophy. So if you use penis pump regularly, 3 times a week, you're bringing in blood flow to that tissue. You're keeping it elastic, and you keep it to preserve the length and girth over time. Think of it as taking your penis to the gym. It's exercising your penis. So there are 2 rules to use it right. Get a good FDA-approved one. You can check it out at our store at ednomore.com. The good ones has pressure release valve and also has a gauge on it as well too. So not necessarily more suction is better. It's gentle, consistent suction is better. So in my Get Hard bundle, which you can check down here at ednomore.com, it starts with this, at the pump and nitric oxide and infrared light therapy. The bundle is the bridge, not a destination. And if you pump regularly, which I recommend that you pump 10 minutes twice a day, at least 5 times a week, you will see an improvement. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only 1 pump away. Tip number 4, quiet the anxiety. This is the one that changes everything. Tip number 4 is the most important one I'll give you today. It has nothing to do with grooming, fat, or pump. This lowers your anxiety, because anxiety doesn't just live in your head, it shrinks you physically in the moment. So let me explain this, because once you understand it, it stops feeling like just anxiety or something that's a character flaw. When you're anxious, your body blood flow, it floods with stress hormone like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones does one main job. They clamp down your blood vessel and send blood away from the parts you needed for survival. The penis is at the very top of that, because it senses that you're in stress. So your body's gonna say, well, you don't need your penis right now. So the more you panic about looking small, the smaller you actually get. It's a cruel loop, and it's almost every man has been trapped in it. So now flip it. If you're calm, confident, relaxed, no anxiety, blood vessel open, relaxed, more blood flow flowing in, you fill it up, you get firmer. It's the same body, same penis, same man. The only thing that changed is his emotion. That's the powerful part of this, is that calm is not soft. Calm is what let the blood go where you want it to go. So how do you quiet it? How do you calm down the anxiety? A few things that generally move the needle. Breathe slowly. Do box breathing. Check out one of my videos here on how to do box breathing. Get out of your own head. Concentrate on your senses, which is the touch, the eyes, the visual, the smell, the taste, the hearing. Instead of standing outside yourself, grading your performance, prioritize your partner. Sleep also helps as well too, to take off the stress. So let me say one thing, guys, and you need to hear this. Performance anxiety is not a weakness. It is just a biochemical event happening in your body. You can't shame a way out of it, okay? But you can absolutely work with it, calm it, lower it down, and take your body back. I watch men do it thousands of times. So there you go. 4 ways to look longer and bigger starting this week. First, start with shaving the pubic hair, and then second is lose the pubic fat, and then use a penis pump to keep the tissue full and healthy, and then quiet the anxiety that's shrinking you in the moment. But I want to leave you with the honest truth is that these 4 tips will make you look at your best, but if you notice real changes, erection that don't get as full as firm, or it gets softer when you need it the most, it's not a grooming problem. It's not in your head. 90% of the time, it's physical. So the blood vessels in your penis are smaller than the one in your heart, so they show up first. So ED is a warning sign that you have a blood flow problem. That's where if you find that you're doing this and you're not getting better and you like to get your erection back, well, book a free discovery call and see if we can get you going again and see if we're fit to work together. Men travel all over the country to see us, and the call costs you nothing but a few minutes at this point. So click the link below or go to Renew with Dr. Ann and book a call to see if this is something that you want to do to get out of ED to more natural, spontaneous functioning again. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and just know that you are not alone. You are not broken. There are alternative treatment to ED. See you next one, modern man. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.